We are going to take a look at a Diehl ESL20 16-inch straight line rip saw. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and turn on notifications to receive our latest videos as they drop. This ESL20 straight line rip saw is powered by a 10 horsepower, 4,300 RPM, belt-driven fixed arbor main motor. A 1 horsepower, 1,800 RPM feed drive has a fixed speed of 60 feet per minute. A 16-inch blade diameter allows for 2.5-inch max material thickness, while a 14-inch blade will allow for up to 1.5-inch thickness capacity. The throat has 19 inches of clearance, and the table measures 37 by 56 inches. This saw also includes a laser.